Hey Pitmasters, what is up? Today we're gonna make a smash burger. And as always, the first thing that we're going to do is fire up our barbecue. And we need a bit of charcoal, so we're using Kamado Joe's Big Block. For our smash burger we need minced meat. I'm taking around 100 grams per burger. To our minced meat we're going to add a lot of flavor. We'll start off with some salt. Black pepper. We want to use about the same amount of salt and black pepper. A little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of onion powder. And a little bit of smoked paprika powder. To boost the flavor I'm going to use an umami powder. This powder is made of tomato, onion and soy. We'll mix it up by hand. And here's the difference with a normal burger. We want to work it and make a smooth consistency out of it. Now I can see that the color is not what I want it to be, so I'm adding a little bit more of smoked paprika powder. Now I'm getting that smell, that flavor combination. It's really fantastic. Look at how the consistency changed. It's no longer the wires that we had before in the mincemeat. It's like a smooth paste. Now the fun thing is that we do not need to make burger patties out of these. We're just gonna leave them like bowls, and we want to make sure that we have an equal amount. Let's start working on our sauce. We'll start off with a little shallot. We're going to chop that fine. Now we'll chop fine 2 pickles. These are sweet pickles. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of boombastic barbecue rub. And then 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Some Worcester sauce, and that's about a tablespoon. Now we'll mix that up. I like to use yogurt-based mayonnaise for my sauces because it's really light and that works really well with a heavy burger. Look at that. This is going to be so tasty. Great color, great texture. And of course we need to have a quick try. Oh, that is a freaking epic sauce. Really boombastic. Our charcoal is ready and we're going to put it in the center of our barbecue. With smash burgers we want plenty of heat, so we're going to add more charcoal just to make sure we have enough heat. Now we'll put the grill grate on, and on top of the grill grate we're going to put our cast iron griddle. This will help to get that beautiful Maillard effect on our smash burger. While our griddle is getting up to temperature, we're going to toast our buns. We'll put a little bit of olive oil on our grill plate, slice open a bun and let it toast. Wow, look at that. Nice golden brown. That's exactly what we're looking for. Now it's time to put on our smash burger. We'll start again with a little bit of olive oil. We'll put on one of these bowls. I'm just taking a little bit of olive oil, put it there, and another one. And now we'll take one of these. Now I picked this up at a DIY store. I don't know what it's for, but it's certainly good for smashing burgers. So we're applying a lot of pressure and then moving it to the side. We got to keep an eye on the burger, so I'm taking my spatula and trying to look underneath and see if the burger is fully caramelized. We can see that our burger is fully caramelized, so we're going to flip it over. So one of our patties is not getting the color that I want it to be, so we're just going to flip it one more time and look for a hot spot. Look at that, that's a hot spot. I'm going to prepare our sandwich. I'm going to take some lettuce, a little bit of tomato and a red onion. Just pick one of these leaves here and we'll put that on the bottom of our bun. And you want to slice your tomatoes real thin. There we go. Look at that, you can see straight through them. Do the same for our onion. And now it's time to put on our burger patty. That's number one. We'll put a little bit of sauce in between, just to make sure we layer that flavor. Maybe a few more onions, and on goes our second patty. Woo! Keep it steady. We're building towers here, guys. And on top I want a big dollop of sauce. Some more red onion. And that is our smashed burger. Now we know this is going to be a big mess, but we gotta taste this burger. Look how epic this looks. There we go, anaconda style. Oh wow. Another bite. Oh man, that's a really good burger. The epic part is the crunch that you get from this smashed patty. It's absolutely fantastic. Together with that sauce, it really is amazing. Well, I hope you guys like this recipe, but what's not to like, right? So leave me a big thumbs up and a comment down below, and a big thanks to everyone who's sponsoring us. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling.